I'm really excited to show you these nails that were gifted to me. PaintLab has sent me a few pair of nails and some glue. This will be my first time trying out their brand, and I'm already so excited. They picked so many cute styles and totally understood the assignment on the type of nail I like to wear, the length, and the design options. Let's go through them. The first pair I'm going to show you is Pink Daisy. They are so cute. I absolutely love the length, and the pattern is so perfect for spring. I'm so excited to try these. Up next, this is a really gorgeous neutral color that I'm so excited to try on. I love the length, the shape. It's just such a really pretty option when I want something simple and neutral. Last but not least, this pair is perfect. They're cherries and I absolutely love them. This might be my next pair that I put on because I absolutely love these. I'm so excited to try PaintLab. They also sent me a separate glue. So I'm really excited to see how these stay on. Stay tuned for some updates. If I'm able to link them, check out the video description. You will find them there.